Welcome to TechSpot, the ultimate destination for tech lovers. Prepare to embark on an exciting journey through the ever-evolving landscape of technology. From groundbreaking innovations to expert insights, we're here to ignite your curiosity and fuel your passion for all things tech. Get ready to blast off into the stratosphere of innovation with TechSpot. Our mission? To revolutionize the way you experience technology. Buckle up and hold on tight as we rocket through the latest tech breakthroughs, jaw-dropping reviews, and mind-bending tutorials. From the cutting edge to the avant-garde, we're your trusted co-pilots on this exhilarating journey. Join us as we push the boundaries of what's possible and redefine what it means to be a true tech aficionado. Subscribe now and join the rocket ship of discovery with TechSpot, where the future is always just a click away. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla bot, codenamed Optimus, stems from a desire to revolutionize automation and redefine the relationship between humans and technology. Musk aims to address the challenges of repetitive and hazardous tasks, freeing humans to pursue more meaningful and creative endeavors. By creating a humanoid robot capable of various tasks, Musk envisions a future where automation enhances human potential rather than replacing it. Tesla bot represents a shift towards collaborative robotics, where humans and robots work together to solve complex problems and drive innovation. Musk believes that by offloading mundane tasks to robots like Tesla bot, society can unlock untapped human potential and accelerate progress across industries. Ultimately, Musk's vision for Tesla bot extends beyond efficiency gains to encompass societal transformation and a more sustainable future. Through Tesla bot, Musk aims to bridge the gap between human labor and technological advancement, fostering a symbiotic relationship where automation enhances human capabilities rather than supplanting them. This vision aligns with his broader philosophy of leveraging technology for the betterment of humanity, ushering in an era where humans and robots collaborate to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. Tesla bot's construction incorporates an advanced blend of lightweight yet durable materials, carefully selected to optimize agility, strength, and longevity. The exoskeleton of Optimus is predominantly composed of aerospace-grade carbon fiber composites, renowned for their exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. These materials provide the necessary structural integrity to withstand rigorous tasks while minimizing overall weight, ensuring agile movement and energy efficiency. Additionally, Tesla bot integrates specialized polymers engineered for their resilience and flexibility. These advanced polymers enhance the robot's ability to adapt to dynamic environments and perform tasks with precision. Through meticulous material selection and engineering, Tesla bot achieves a harmonious balance between strength and flexibility, enabling seamless interaction with its surroundings while maintaining a sleek and ergonomic design. Furthermore, Tesla bot's modular design extends to its material composition, allowing for easy maintenance and component replacement. This modular approach enhances scalability and facilitates rapid upgrades, ensuring that Tesla bot remains at the forefront of robotics technology for years to come. Overall, the choice of materials in Tesla bot underscores Tesla's commitment to innovation, performance, and sustainability in humanoid robotics. Despite its advanced capabilities, Tesla bot is designed to interact seamlessly with humans in a variety of settings. Its humanoid form factor and natural movements make it easy for people to communicate and collaborate with Optimus, whether it's providing instructions or working side by side on a task. Tesla bot's ability to understand human gestures and speech further enhances its usability, allowing for intuitive and efficient interaction in dynamic environments. Whether it's assisting workers on a factory floor or providing companionship and support to individuals in need, Optimus embodies embodies the perfect balance between technological prowess and human-centric design. The potential applications of Tesla Bot are virtually limitless, spanning across a wide range of industries and sectors. In manufacturing, Optimus can streamline production processes, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Its precision and dexterity make it ideal for tasks such as assembly, quality control, and packaging. In logistics and warehousing, Tesla Bot can revolutionize inventory management and order fulfillment, optimizing workflows and minimizing errors. Its autonomous navigation capabilities allow it to navigate busy warehouse environments with ease, ensuring timely and accurate delivery of goods. As technology continues to advance, the capabilities of Tesla Bot are only expected to grow. With ongoing research and development efforts, Tesla aims to further enhance Optimus's capabilities, expanding its potential applications and increasing its utility across various industries. From advanced machine learning algorithms to improved sensor technology, Tesla Bot will continue to evolve to meet the ever-changing needs of the market. As we embrace the potential of Tesla Bot, we embark on a journey towards a future where humans and robots work hand in hand to create a better, more efficient world. In conclusion, Tesla Bot represents a significant milestone in the evolution of robotics, offering a glimpse into a future where automation is not just a tool, but a partner in human progress. With its versatility, precision, and autonomy, Optimus promises to revolutionize industries, transform workflows, and unlock new opportunities for innovation and growth.